The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Wide stance. The performance envelope of the Z06 is built upon the Stingray Corvette's foundation. Now having a 3.6-inch wider stance helps accommodate the massive 345 series tires. It also allows more airflow and handling to be the supercar on the track and the roadway. Track-proven performance. The 2023 Corvette Z06 leverages the technologies introduced on the mid-engine Corvette Stingray. Like the Stingray, the driver mode selector tailors more than a dozen features of the Z06 to suit the driver's environment, including launch control, active handling, traction control, performance track management, and electronic limited slip differential. Designed to perform. Almost every exterior detail unique to the Z06 serves a purpose for aerodynamics, handling, or cooling, with styling cues that all accentuate the car's sense of motion. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Boniface Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.